Hey, welcome back to Rach Bennett. Today we are going to be organizing for homeschool and getting all of our needs and necessities ready for this new school year. Let's get started. First necessity in homeschooling, hands down, are planners. And I'm really excited because I am a geek over planners. I love to organize. I love to plan out the things. I love to imagine what's going to be happening. So for school, I love to get a planner to help me organize all the kids' curriculum as well as help them organize the curriculum. And being a homeschool mom, instead of writing transcripts like on the computer, which is a good and helpful thing to do, I like to use planners. And what we do is we track it on their month. We also go into their goals. They have Erin. I have an affiliate link for Erin Condren, and she's fantastic because their planners keep you super organized. So this is a daily life planner, but what we do is we write down their goals. We write down what curriculum pages they need to get to by certain dates. We also write down what they actually do. So Wyatt will go in and he'll write down each day what he did, what lesson he finished, if he took a test, whatever is needed, he'll write down each of these days, and that then we'll tally it at the end of the month. Keeps you super organized. I love Erin Condren. She's got great teacher planners, life planners. My favorite is the academic planners for the kids. She even has this new one for the back to school collection, which is a kids notebook habit tracker, which is really cool. It does routines, habits, chores, allowances, even a reading log. So I'm gonna use this one to help with the younger kids on some of their tasks as well. It's absolutely fantastic. And then of course they have really cute organizing supplies. But first things first, when you're homeschooling, your number one necessity are planners. We have the kids all around and the fam because it is time to get school organized. They're so enthusiastic now, but I'm gonna say in like a month they'll be less enthusiastic, but that's okay.
Not me, Mom.
We reach out and we team up with Erin Condren all the time, and they send us all of our supplies for planner and organization needs. Here we go. We have the Rach planner.
Oh, beautiful.
We have a Wyatt planner. We have a sleek Shay planner. Look at this. Leather. Here's Cora's planner. She got Hello Kitty. Cute. We got the, which is similar to Raquel's, the Clay Leia planner.
Yeah.
Evie's is in Spanish. She's in Spanish. All right, here comes some organization that will help with getting our desk and supplies organized.
Yeah.
We're gonna see what we got, and then we can divvy up after, right? We got some folders.
Ooh.
We have a desk organizer, lots of things. Okay, this is cool, a sticky note ball.
Oh my goodness.
We have
Genius.
gel pens, glue sticks, ballpoint pens.
I want gel pens.
Oh, pencil organizers. Oops. We got, these are cool, magnetic checklists. Awesome
I'll
checklists.
just take all the notebooks. You guys
Notepads. Your exam checklist that you can erase, like you write with a marker and then you erase after. And then also some habit trackers.
Yes.
Okay, wait. More coming.
There's more. Oh my gosh, no.
Ready?
Oh.
Dun, 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 dun. Okay, school is my favorite collection, like time of year, everything. But they just came out with a Star Wars collection. Look at this. Look at that, you guys. A notebook, Darth Vader notebook.
Oh, that's
a
so I think I need
Leia
Darth
notebook.
Vader.
Okay, nope, we're not, no dibs yet. Hold on. We have Star Wars trackers. We have, what does it say, Shay?
do not. There is no try.
More notebooks. Okay, wait. You can interchange your notebook with these Star Wars planner covers. A Star Wars planner.
For Shay.
Wait. We got sticky note sets. More pens. Just keeps coming. Mom! A Star Wars May the Force be with you planner.
Oh, so cute.
Wait.
Nobody ever gives me planners.
Will you use a planner? Oh, that's for Dad all the way.
Only because it says.
Only because it's.
They don't trust me.
Soft bound focused notebooks. This is the Tatooine notebook.
The 2 moons.
Yeah.
And this is the Galaxy notebook, old school Star Wars, as well as pencil
is the
bag
red.
of the child.
Oh, that's Mandalorian.
Mandalorian. Okay, we're gonna divvy this up. Then we're gonna go shopping for, guess what? More school supplies.
So nobody actually left to go shopping. They're all still, now they're listening.
Okay, so here's a priority.
Nobody wanted to leave yet because they're all getting organized. So I think it's pretty cool how much they love school. I think they love school because our home-based or world-based school, they find a passion, and that's how we study. We wrap English and we wrap math, science, those into subjects they're passionate about so that they want to study on their own. They want to learn. So, and this is how that works.
All right, we are so excited. We are organizing our desk spaces and the classroom and getting everything ready for homeschool for this coming school year. I love to organize more than anything. So today I'm gonna be sharing a bunch of my tips and things that have helped us to organize our spaces. Let's get started. All right, for our desk spaces, we have used some of these nice organizers. These ones are from Erin Condren. This is holding her school subjects as well as her planner, and of course, obviously like pencils, scissors. We like to find a lot of bright colored organizers or something that really matches with their space, and they loved the ones that Erin Condren had sent us, so we're using those organizers. I love organizers more than anything because I fully believe if everything has a place, then it doesn't get as cluttered. There's a little hang up there, but I'm gonna show you more of how we organize other desk spaces. Let's go check out the other rooms. All right, we are up in the classroom and we are trying to organize this whole space. Look how incredibly messy this is. We're doing an overhaul in this area as well. We're actually gonna be taking out the lockers, which I know is super sad for some of us, but the kids have a lot of awesome desk space in their rooms, and so they're not gonna need the lockers. So we're gonna convert some of these into some awesome locker space, have more desk space, add a bookshelf, organize the chaos. Wyatt, are you sad to see the lockers go?
Kinda, yeah.
Yeah, they're fun, but they just kind of became a clutter haul. They would just shove their stuff in here, and we would lose all the things that go in the lockers. So it's time to organize. As we are organizing for school, I'm getting really, really excited because we are just ready to start again, but we need some major organization, especially in our school spaces. So we are reorganizing all of our school spaces and especially the classrooms. So today I'm gonna be showing what we're doing in our classroom kind of makeover, changing things out. We're gonna do an overhaul to make it user-friendly for our kids, make it easy for them to put things back as well as grab things that they need, whether it's supplies or books or manipulatives, lots of just user-friendly things. So here we go. All right, we have emptied and moved our locker. We are now getting ready to organize the space a lot better. We're bringing in another bookshelf. I want to create some more seating so they can read, some more desk space so they can work, and actually add some more lighting in this area. We brought in this light even just to film. It's dark in this zone. It is the movie room, but this area specifically gets really dark. Here we go. Time to clear out the crap and bring in the good. Still moving stuff. have pulled.
Hello there.
We have pulled everyone in to help us organize. Look at this space.
Ow! Why do you keep throwing stuff at me? I'm not garbage.
This is what's happening.
That's garbage.
I think it's going to be great once we organize.
Oh
That's in
yeah.
the recycling bin.
I call this. Bonsoir to our new desk.
Good evening to our new desk. All right, give me the tour, Shay.
Okay, the tour. We have these very cool woodsy bookends that hold our curriculum and all our notebooks and journals for math, science, and language arts. And then we have our drawing tablet for animating. I convinced my mom to let me draw downstairs when I ask, and I have to take it up when I'm not using it. And then I have this, and then here's the amazing part. I have some amazing woodsy pins to put in the corkboard, my Huion pen, tape, and pens and markers.